guys, welcome to my channel. In this playlist, we first created our schema, catalog, a server and all the CAPM site, and then connected with HANA database. Then by using the Fiori, created our UI. By using the Python, we have created the PDF, and this is our two application where first we will create one category name as a investment. So we have created our investment, then we can delete also, and we can download in the Excel format also. In the month, we have a list view where there are number of months, years, and their respective informations. Then after pressing the create button, we can create new month. Then this is the previous balance, which is optional. Press save button. After this, our month will be seen in the list view. And add items while pressing the edit button. Let's we add some items. After this save button, the all items are saved, and we can edit and add new items. And delete the entities like this. If this want to reflect with database, save button, or else we can go with cancel also. And now we will press this download PDF. Our PDF will be generated like this. This is month December 2024. Previous amount is 10. Current balance 12,000 and total is 12,010, where we have spent in food 300 rupees, investment as a 2,343, and saving for 23 rupees. And this is the brief where we can get our item wise data with amount and respective categories. Whole code is available in this repository. This is the UI code, CAPM code, and this is the PDF code. So if we go, this is application code, and then this is a PDF code.